Local news for Tuesday the 13th of June. May was another buoyant month in real estate as 44 properties in Masterton were sold, 41 over the RV and 3 others were noted as unknown. Of the properties that had list price versus sale price, many were sold between 5 and 20,000 above the original listing. 25 were sold in South Wairarapa in May and 28 in Carterton, again the majority over the RV. A High Street South property whose RV was 390,000 sold for nearly 800,000. Over 70 outfits have been received for next month's Overso Fashion Awards, including 6 from international entrants. Robin Cherry Campbell, who organises the popular upcycled Fashion Awards being held at the Carterton Event Centre late July, said entries closed on Friday and received a total of 70 outfits. Of that, 6 were from Australia, 1 was from France and 40 from around New Zealand, including entries from 9 schools and 3 tertiary institutions. Also, of those entered, 18 were previous entrants. And in sport, Wairarapa United have scored another victory, this time beating Wellington Olympic 3-2 on Saturday. The women went down 6-0 to Wellington United. In hockey, the Dalefield men beat Harbour City 3-0. The women's side scored a 3-1 win over Eastern Hutt, and both men and women now sit second on their respective tables. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.